Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to solve this question of projection of plane, in which we have a pentagonal lamina of 25 side resting on HP on one of its corner, and the surface of the lamina makes 60 degree with the HP while resting on that corner, and the side opposite to the resting corner, there will be a edge opposite to the resting corner, which should make an angle of 45 with the VP. So start with this question: pentagonal lamina of 25 size. So when it is resting on HP, so from the top view, it will appear as a pentagon. So edge method, this is our center. Sorry, polygon, 5 edge method, site this way, and dimension is 25 edge. So this is our pentagon, which is resting on HP on this corner, right side. So we have the resting corner on the right side. Name them. This one is A, C. Okay. So when resting on HP, this is our top view, and from in the front view, we'll have a straight line, and these two are the extreme lines. So just select this and move to the construction layer. Now front view will be from here to here, but this edge should come in between, so just make a line and just change it to the construction layer. Now you can make the front view from here to here, here to here. I will use multiple segment so that we can easily track the top view in the second section. So now name them. This one is, this point represent A dash, B dash, and this one here, A dash and C dash. This one here represent D dash. Now while resting on HP on this corner D, top view will be same as that of the pentagon, and front view will be a straight line. Now for the next condition, the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with the HP. So again, just copy this thing to the right side, and now you have to rotate this thing by 60 degree, because you know, if the surface while resting on this thing, this corner makes 60 degree with HP, so in the front view we will have a inclined line. Okay, because this is our resting corner, so it should stay on the reference. Now you can check the angle. This is 60 degree as it is asked in the question. Now you have to trace out the points. You have to trace out the top view. This is our point D, and just copy this thing. Now next step will be C and E will be on this vertical line. Just from here to here we have C, we have E. You can change these. Just if you want to, you can change this line, so just let them stay as it is. This is point E, this is C. Now A dash, B dash will land this vertical line. Now this is our point A, this is B. If I change this, I will let them, or you can keep them, but I'm going to change these two lines to the construction layer, also this one too. Now you can connect these lines, A, these points C, D, E, and A. So while resting on this corner, the surface makes an angle of 60 degrees. So in the front view, we'll have an inclined line, and in the top view, this length will be, you can see this length get compressed here. So lengthwise, this thing get, this line has been reduced. So this is our top view where our pentagonal lamina makes 60 degree with the HP. Now third step is to the side opposite to the resting corner. So here you can see this is our corner D, and the side opposite to this corner is AB. Again here, this is our D, and the side opposite to the resting corner is AB. So we have to copy this. We need to copy this thing. Copy. Now we need to make sure the side opposite to the resting corner, this one AB, should make an angle of 45 degree with the VP. So you need to rotate this thing such that this AB side become, after rotation, this AB H should be at an angle of 45 degree with HP. Okay, so here we can see AB is at 45 degree with VP, or with this reference line. From here now you can trace out your front view. So in this horizontal line we will have A dash B dash. Just trace out first A. This is our A dash, and this is B. So this will be our B dash. Just copy these terms, A dash and B dash. Now again follow the same step for this one. This one here we have C and E. So in this horizontal line we will have C dash and A dash. This is our E. So here this intersection will be E dash, and this one C here, this will be our C dash. So just copy this thing, A dash and C dash. Now we need D, which is resting on XY. So just make this line vertical up to this point, reference line. So this point is D dash. Now connect all these points. First is A, B, C, D, E, and A. So this is a pentagon. You can remove this construction line. Here you can see this is our front view, which is drawn with the help of top view. Now, as per the question, it has been asked in the question, Pentagon Lamina of 25 mm side. So this is a Pentagon Lamina in which our each edge is 25 mm long, and it is resting on a corner. So here we are considering this 3 point as a resting corner. Now with the surface of the lamina making 60 degree with the HP. So as per the second condition, while resting on point D, corner D, the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with the HP. So this is the angle created by the surface. So this is a plane, that is why we are getting a straight line on the VP or in the front view. Now with the help of this we have find this front view help to create this top view, and you can see when it is rotated with the HP, the original length, the horizontal length get reduced, and this looks like a compressed pentagon. Now as for the third condition, this resting point D, it should stay on the HP, and along with this the opposite side to this corner, which is AB, it should be aligned at 45 degree with the VP or the reference. So this is our AB, which is the side opposite to the resting corner, and it is inclined at 45 degree with the VP. Now with the help of this we have traced out this thing, front view, and you can clearly see D to the resting corner, so that is why it is shown on the reference line. So this is our solution to this problem. Thank you.